Knowing what manufacturing system to invest in is tough, but getting the timing right is even harder. I've seen a lot of companies end up with a system that's too small or pay for way more than what they need. That's why in this video I'm breaking down MRP, ERP, and MES based on my experience helping thousands of manufacturers find the right fit. That way, you'll know exactly which one your business needs right now. There are a lot of different categories that fall under the quote manufacturing software umbrella. Way too many to cover in this video. That's why I'm sticking with the three most important systems: MRP, ERP, and MES. I'll quickly give you their definitions, show you when to invest, and make the business case for each. I'll also give some product recommendations at the end. But if you want specific advice based on your company or want to discuss other types of software, just reach out to us at softwareconnect.com. We've helped thousands of manufacturers choose the right products for their needs. Our service is completely free, and our experts will work with you to find the perfect fit. Click on the link in the description for your free consultation. Let's define these, starting with MRP, which stands for Material Requirements Planning. With this system, you're really trying to figure out what materials are needed, how much you need, and when you need them. Its key features include production planning, scheduling, and inventory control. Next is ERP, which stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. It builds on MRP by combining production planning with financials, sales, supply chain, and other core business processes. All of these modules are integrated, so you have a one-stop shop for pretty much everything your business does. Then there's MES, which stands for Manufacturing Execution System. It doesn't replace your ERP, but feeds it real data. Think of it as a bridge between your ERP and your shop floor machine sensors. It displays data in real time, like OEE, production statuses, and machine conditions. In simple terms, it makes sure you're executing your production plan based on what your data is actually telling you. Now, knowing what they do is just one piece of the puzzle. Here's how it typically plays out. Most companies start with an MRP, upgrade to an ERP as they grow, and then add MES later on. The key is knowing which one fits your current needs. And honestly, it's not super cut and dry. From my experience, it generally comes down to your business size and what problems you're trying to solve. MRP is best suited for small manufacturers and job shops that lack production software entirely. They probably already use a standalone accounting or inventory tools, but rely on spreadsheets or whiteboard schedules. The pain points here are pretty glaring. Inventory is never optimized, you've got poor scheduling, stockouts, and not much planning. Basically, you're operating more on a feel than you are with data. And look, that works for a while, but once your business starts ramping up, those manual methods really start holding you back. All of those compound into late deliveries and frustrated customers. MRP solves these headaches by bringing structure into your materials planning. Usually companies at this stage make between $500,000 and $5 million in annual revenue, though it depends more on your process maturity than size. I'd say the perfect time to start looking is when there's a clear need for stronger production control, but without the complexity or cost of an ERP. So once you start to grow, you'll eventually need to integrate production data with your supply chain and financials. This is where upgrading to an ERP makes sense. For most companies, several pain points are being addressed here. Maybe you're tired of manual double entries, or it takes too long jumping from your MRP to QuickBooks to a CRM. A lot of times, your visibility is restricted. The sales team can't see inventory, or production doesn't know what orders are coming down the pipeline. This isn't scalable long term. Typically, companies start looking at ERP when they reach the $10 to $20 million in annual revenue range. And actually, a lot of small businesses skip MRP entirely and jump straight into ERP, especially if they've got aggressive growth plans. It's definitely worth thinking about when doing your search. Now, MES comes into play when your operations mature enough that you need real-time visibility and control to optimize them. At this stage, you'll need solid data infrastructure, machine connectivity, and defined KPIs to get the insights MES provides. Typically, you'll be an upper mid-market or large manufacturer making over $25 million a year. The biggest reason for investing in an MES is the need for real-time shop floor control. It combines what should happen with what's actually happening. For example, your ERP can tell you to complete a job by Friday, but it can't tell you that the machine is running slowly or that there's a quality issue on the line. So now you know the right time to add each platform, but how do they translate to business value? For MRP, systems like MRP Easy, Total ETO, and Markov focus on reducing carrying costs and making production more efficient. That means less cash tied up in materials sitting on shelves or lost sales because of stockouts. You'll also see improved on-time deliveries, which directly impacts customer satisfaction and repeat business. Plus, it's an affordable entry point. These typically cost a fraction of what you pay for a full ERP. With ERP, the ROI shows up across your entire operations. If they choose the right system for your needs, companies typically see less administrative work, That's hours every week your team gets back. And honestly, one of the biggest impacts I hear about from clients is their productivity. While the upfront cost is higher, the operational return affects every department. Manufacturing-specific ERPs like Xtuple, Syspro, and DCOM are built to make your plant more efficient. They can boost your sales while making data-driven financial decisions. Just be sure to select one that fits your specific industry and method, like food and beverage or discrete. For MES, all that data it collects can help you reduce scrap and improve machine performance, which means higher profit margins and less downtime. You'll also catch quality issues before they reach final inspection, which prevents costly reworks or customer returns. For a manufacturer that makes $50 million a year, improving your OEE by 10% can save you tens of thousands. Systems like iLit, DelmiaWorks, and ShopView are all good options for delivering these results. While adding another system to your infrastructure can be daunting, it's worthwhile to take your production to the next level. And if you want to save yourself hours of product research, we'll give you tailored recommendations for free. Just visit softwareconnect.com to book your call. You can also check out our Roundup pages for the top MRP, ERP, and MES systems and pricing guides. So what kind of software are you looking for? Do you have specific pain points? Drop a comment and we'll suggest some systems that may be good fits. And if you like this, you'll love our other manufacturing software videos covering the best systems.